Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add payment method on Airbnb. If you want to book your stays smoothly, then managing your payment option on Airbnb is simple and essential. First of all, launch open Airbnb app on your mobile device or your tablets, or you may also visit airbnb.com on your browser and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon, which is located at the bottom right or at the top right corner, depending upon your device's type. Inside your profile section, tap on Account Settings. On the next page, tap on Payments. Now, under Payments and Payouts, tap on the Payment Method button at the top. On the next page, tap on Add Payment Method. You can then go ahead and select a payment method you'd like to add. You can add options such as PayPal, credit or debit card. Select any one option that is available to you and tap Next. Now, if you've added the option that says card, then you need to go ahead and enter your card number, expiration date, CVV or security code, and then your postcode, and finally tap on Done. If you've selected PayPal, all you need to do is to log into your PayPal account by entering its credentials. Once all details are correctly entered, you can tap on Done or Save. Airbnb may verify the payment method with a small temporary charge, which will be refunded later. Once the payment method has been accepted, you can try booking a small reservation or check the payment method section to ensure your method is listed and active. So that is how you easily add a payment method on Airbnb. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.